Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix a disabled Facebook account and recover access step by step without getting confused. First, try logging in to your Facebook account as usual. If your account is disabled, you'll see a message explaining the restriction. Sometimes it's temporary, so read the message carefully to understand the reason. Next, go to the official appeal form. Enter your email or phone number and your full name exactly as it appears on your account. In some cases, Facebook may ask you to upload a valid ID for verification, so make sure the image is clear and matches your details. After submitting the appeal, wait for Facebook to review your request. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, so be patient and avoid submitting multiple requests repeatedly. Also, check your email regularly, including the spam folder, because Facebook will send updates there. If your account was disabled because of policy violations, make sure you understand the rules to avoid future issues. Finally, once your account is restored, secure it by changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. Subscribe the channel for more videos.